Detaching from someone can feel daunting, but it can be done either partially or completely by reducing your concern for their opinions. Whether you're taking a temporary break or ending a relationship, it's crucial to approach this thoughtfully. Start with a physical separation, like a weekend getaway, to gain perspective and assess your feelings without the influence of intimacy. Consider writing a pros and cons list to understand the potential consequences and seek support from trusted friends who can provide guidance and distraction. Set emotional boundaries during interactions, focusing on superficial topics rather than sharing feelings. If questioned, be honest about your need for space without revealing your intentions to detach. Reflect on the implications of cutting ties, including emotional and practical aspects, and document your reasons for detaching to help reinforce your decision. Ultimately, to achieve a permanent detachment, you must limit contact and remove the person from your daily life for a while.